Ayan. So, good afternoon, St. Clair.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po.
Ayan. So, nakikita po ba ang aking presentation? Maliwanag po ang aking
Opo.
boses?
Opo.
Maliwanag po ba?
Opo.
Ayan. So, nakikita naman po siguro, di ba? So, our lesson for the bread and pastry is all about
Good afternoon po, sir.
the decorate and present
Opo, sir.
pastry and
Opo.
products, which
Opo.
is under the chapter 6, the preparing and producing of pastry products. Okay. So, under the lesson information sheet 2.1-2 is the variety of roasting or icing and glazes used in pastries. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating lesson for lesson 2.2-2. Okay. It is the easiest way to decorate an ordinary pastry is with coat of glaze. The simplest option is barely requires a recipe at all. Just mix confectioner sugar with the liquid such as milk or lemon, adjusting the proportion until you reach the desired thickness. You can add a bit of citrus zest, liqueur, and vanilla extract or other chocolate or caramel. All of the options should be used immediately after they are made and then given a few minutes to set before serving. Ayan. So, if you say frosting, yan yung mga sugar coats or mga icing na nilalagay or glazes sa ating mga pastries or cakes. Ayan. So, here is the example, which is the basic milk glaze. Ayan. So, you have to whisk together 2 cups of confectioner sugar. Ayan. And 1/4 cup of milk until smooth, adding more milk if needed to reach desired consistency. Make about 3/4 cup. Ayan. So, ganyan lang po ang kanyang itsura. So, yun yung mga basic milk glaze, which is 2 cups ng confectioner sugar, 1/4 cup ng milk, and about 3/4 cup, ayan, sa paggawa niyan. So, 2 cups ng confectioner and 1/4 cup ng milk. Yung paghahalu-haluin lang yan. Iwi-whisk. Ibig sabihin, yung panghalo, iwi-whisk na siya. So, next is the brown sugar glaze. Ayan. Nakikita po ba yung picture?
Opo.
Sir.
Ayan. So, brown sugar glaze, pwede nyo pong i-screenshot para po mayroon kayong recipe. Okay, so the brown sugar, although I will drop this PowerPoint presentation sa inyong GC para you have the copy. So, the brown sugar glaze is you have to heat 6 tablespoon on unsalted butter. Pwede din naman na hindi unsalted kasi ang unsalted butter is very, tawag dito, expensive. So, pwede po siyang, not kwan lang siya, the ordinary butter. And a half cup of light brown sugar in a saucepan. So, ilalagay nyo siya sa kaserola or any maliit na kaserola na para matunaw. And then, over medium fire. Ibig sabihin, hindi masyadong malakas. And then, stirring until the sugar has dissolved. Add 2 tablespoon of heavy cream. Pwede pong gamitin pag wala namang heavy cream talaga kasi kung yan talaga yung inyong tawag dito, inyong hahanapin, medyo may kamahalan. Pero pwede din naman yung local cream lang natin, which is the all-purpose cream, yung Nestle cream. Ayan. So, pwede pong gamitin yon. Until sugar is dissolved, add 2 tablespoon lang. And then, 1 teaspoon ng vanilla extract and half teaspoon ng salt brings to a boil. Ayan. Before remove from heat, then, let it cool until thickened and this make about 1 cup. Ayan. So, ganyan lang po ang kanyang proportion for our brown sugar glaze. Ayan. The other one is the lemon glaze. Ayan. Whisk together 2 cups confectioner sugar with 2 teaspoon ng finely grated lemon. Ayan, zest. And 1/2 cup of lemon juice until smooth. They makes about 1 cup. So, yan lang po yung kanyang proportion. Ayan, for 1 cup. So, kung gusto nyo mas marami yung kanyang lemon glaze, so, pwede kayong mag-double ng recipe. So, gawin nyo siyang 4 cups na confectioner sugar. Ang confectioner sugar, yan yung parang flour siya na sugar, which is yung ating minsan na kinakain, milk na tinatawag, that is confectioner sugar. Ayan. So, yun po yung kanyang tawag dito, proportion. 2 cups. Kung gusto nyo doblehin, i-doble nyo lang lahat ng kanyang measurements. Ayan. And then, the chocolate glaze, which is nakikita nyo yan palagi sa mga donuts, di ba? So, may mga chocolate glaze sa chocolate fondue, yan. So, ito po yung kanyang proportion. Place 3 ounces chopped bittersweet chocolate in the heat-proof bowl. Ayan. And bring 1/2 cup heavy cream to simmer in a small saucepan. Pour over chocolate and let stand for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoon ng unsalted butter and mix smooth. Let's stand stirring occasionally until slightly thickened and make 1 cup. Ayan. So, yan po yung kanyang proportion and kung paano gawin yung chocolate glaze. Okay. Next is the boiled icing. Ayan. So, medyo may delicate and very kailangan ng magandang tawag dito, magandang mixers and dapat mag-ingat kayo dyan kasi medyo mainit to. Pwede kayo mapaso if ever po hindi po kayo mag-ingat. So, the ingredients are the 2 cups of sugar, the half cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon ng cream of tartar, and 1 tablespoon ng corn syrup, and the 2 eggs. Ayan. Egg whites po yung gagamitin dyan sa boiled icing. So, kailangan po ng corn syrup kasi tawag dito, nabibili po yan sa mga supermarket. Ginagamit po yan para hindi po mag-crystallize yung ating sugar. Ayan, kung if you say nag-crystallize yung magbubuo, na para siyang peanut brittle na, ayan, nag-crystallize na yung ating sugar. Dapat hindi po. Kaya lalagyan siya ng corn syrup. Okay. The procedures are, first is you have to combine together sugar, water, and syrup. Brings to boil over fire until it form into thread-like consistency. So, para siyang, alam mo yung sinulid kapag, di ba, kapag hinalo mo, and then saka mo siya inangat yung sandok or yung wooden ladle, so, makikita mo yung tawag dito, yung pagdadrop ng liquid form na yung solution dun sa saucepan, which is the thread-like. Ayan. So, on the separate bowl, beat together egg whites and cream of tartar until stiff. Ayan. Kung meron po kayong tawag dito, meron kayong mixers or tawag dito, the hand mixer, pwede nyo pong gamitin yon. Mas recommendable po na gamitin yon. And then, pour hot syrup to beaten eggs, egg whites gradually. So, ibig sabihin, yung natunaw na sugar, at saka yun sa water, at saka yung corn syrup, is ilalagay siya gradually, di ba? Yung mainit pa siya, as in yung bumubula pa, yung nagbo-boil pa siya. So, dapat maingat po kayo doon kasi pwede po kayong mapaso if ever na hindi po kayo maingat. Continue beating until the mixture becomes stiff and fluffy. Fills and froze a layer cake or using boiled icing. Ayan. So, pwede nyo na siyang i-pour doon or i-glaze doon sa mismong cake ninyo or any pastries. So, yun po yung ating boiled icing. So, the table below indicates the different kinds of fillings for pies and pastry. It shows how they are made, their uses, and how to store them. So, paano daw siya gawin, paano gamitin, at paano itago or i-store yung ating fillings. Ayan. So, nandyan po, the descriptions are the jellies and jam, the meringue pure white fluffy beaten egg whites, the simple sugar syrup, and the whipped cream creamy delicate sweetness and perishable. So, yan po yung mga yan po yung mga ingredients at mga fillings natin, which is yung palaman na tinatawag. So, paano ba siya gawin ang ating jellies and jam? Can be purchased ready-made to stir in the oven or heat with amount of liquid to if it's too thick and strain to remove the seeds. Ayan. If ever po na mayroon po tayong mga jams and jellies, mayroon naman nabibili yan sa mga supermarket. ready to made na siya. So, kailangan mo lang talaga siyang tignan kung okay ba sa atin yung kanyang